Why do some blackheads keep coming back? Deep pore problem explained. You remove a blackhead, and a few weeks later, the same spot is clogged again. But why? The important thing to understand is that removing the visible plug doesn't necessarily stop the pore from producing more material. Your pores naturally contain sebum and shed skin cells. When oil and dead cells accumulate, they can combine into a plug inside the follicle. When that material reaches the pore opening and is exposed to air, the surface can darken. That's why a blackhead appears black. It isn't simply dirt sitting on your skin. So when the pore is naturally prone to producing more oil or collecting dead skin cells, the same area can become clogged again after extraction. Now let's clear the visible blockage. The pressure is controlled and focused around the pore rather than aggressively digging into the skin. And there is the blockage that was sitting inside the pore. After extraction, the area should be treated gently. The goal is a cleaner pore without creating unnecessary irritation. To reduce recurring congestion, focus on gentle cleansing, avoid repeatedly squeezing the same pore, and use skincare ingredients appropriate for your skin type. The visible blackhead is gone, but remember, keeping a pore clear is an ongoing process, not a one-time extraction. Have you ever removed a blackhead only to see it return in the exact same spot? Follow Skin Remedian for more satisfying skin cases and deep pore transformations.